Hello guys, let's talk about delegates in C#. A delegate is a type that holds a reference to a method. Let's see how it looks like on a practical example. Here I have the definition of a delegate. Public delegate. It is called perform calculation and it will point to a method which returns integer and takes two integers as a parameter. Inside the program class, I have instantiated two methods which are private and static. Both of them return integer and both of them take two integers as parameters. The first one is add, the second one subtract, and they will perform these calculations. So add will add two parameters, subtract will subtract the second parameter from the first one. So inside the main method, I have defined two delegates. Both of them are of type perform calculation. The first one is add calculation, and I have instantiated it with a add method, which is defined below. And the second one I instantiated with subtract method. It could be done because the add method has a corresponding definition to the perform calculation delegate. So it takes the same arguments and it returns the same value. After that, I can simply invoke the delegate add calculation, passing two parameters, and it will result in invoking the add method, which is referenced inside of this delegate, and the result will be shown inside the console log and returned. I could do the same with the subtract calculation, passing different arguments, and it will be also shown inside the console and returned. So let's run this program, and I can see the result 3, which is 1 plus 2, and 1, which is the result of 2 minus 1. One delegate can contain references to multiple delegates. So in this line, I have defined the delegate called all calculations of type perform calculation and assigned to it two other delegates of the same type. So I have assigned add calculation plus subtract calculation. After that, I can simply invoke this all calculations delegate, passing two arguments, and it will result in both of these functions which it references being invoked. So the result is the same as before. So the result of add calculation with two parameters 2 and 1 is 3, and subtract calculation with two parameters 2 and 1 is 1. I hope this quick example explained in a simple way how delegates work in C# and how you can use them in your C# programming. I hope to see you soon.